Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study in high school. First, find a quiet, dedicated study space where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure it's comfortable and well lit. Before you begin, gather all your textbooks, notes, and supplies like pens and paper. This prevents breaks in your concentration. Finally, set specific, realistic goals for each study session, like completing 2 chapters or reviewing 25 vocabulary words. This helps you stay on track and feel accomplished. To study effectively, don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by summarizing key points in your own words after each section. This reinforces learning. For subjects requiring memorization, create flashcards for terms, dates, or formulas. Review them regularly. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts aloud to an imaginary audience or a friend. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Effective time management is crucial. Establish a consistent study schedule, allocating specific times each day for different subjects. Break down large projects or assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting. For example, instead of write essay, plan research topic, then outline points. Remember to incorporate short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes of study to refresh your mind and prevent mental fatigue. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying. Aim for at least 8 hours of quality sleep every night. It significantly impacts your ability to learn and retain information. Also, make time for regular physical activity. Even a 30-minute walk can boost your energy and reduce stress. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your space tidy. Staying healthy helps you stay motivated and perform your best academically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.